A long time ago, there was no DevOps, but development and operations. Developer teams build the software and operations teams deploy it. But it wasn't the best model because these were two different teams and they always fought each other. It was mostly the developer's fault or operations fault. A long time ago, developers did all kinds of weird stuff, such as not using package managers but installing dependencies manually and copying vendor folders to servers, not using migrations but running SQL scripts manually on the server, hard coding secrets and configs into source code, not using env files properly, maintaining multiple code bases to deploy multiple tenants. Operations teams were pissed at developers because they applied so many hacks and bad practices. Developers were pissed at operations teams because they couldn't run the software smoothly. So the IT industry said, "Stop this madness. You will learn to collaborate with each other. We need cross-functional teams that can write, build, deploy, release, and maintain software. We need teams that have all the necessary skill set to do so." So there was this new thing called DevOps. The goal was to merge developer and operations specific knowledge together. And then Docker came out in 2013 and it streamlined the whole process. And then Kubernetes came out in 2014 and solved tons of production issues. So DevOps is not just a set of cool technologies but a mindset or a culture. The goal is to have automated processes and make the deployment or release process as smooth as possible. A few key concepts of modern DevOps are like automation, automating repetitive tasks such as software builds, testing, deployments, and infrastructure provisioning to reduce errors, improve efficiency, and increase consistency. Continuous integration and continuous delivery. Implementing CI/CD pipelines to enable frequent code integration, automated testing, and rapid, reliable software releases. Infrastructure as code. Managing infrastructure resources using version-controlled code, allowing for reproducibility, scalability, and consistency across different environments. Monitoring and feedback. Implementing monitoring and observability practices to gather feedback on application performance, user experience, and operational matrices, enabling quick detection and resolving of issues.